acting on complaints of alleged harassment by outsiders against local farmers in Mawsikar near Langpih. A delegation from the Voice of the People's Party (VPP) Rambrai Jyrngam Circle visited the area on Wednesday to assess the situation on the ground. The team was led by Organizing Secretary Robert Watlang and accompanied by former Nong Soin MLA Diostar Jindiang. The visit followed reports that crops cultivated by local farmers over several years had been uprooted. During the inspection, the delegation observed what it described as clear indications of harassment, drawing strong concern and condemnation from party leaders present. Subsequently, the officer in charge of Langpih BOP reached the site and held discussions with the delegation. Walang informed that the police official had taken note of the situation and assured steps to ensure the safety and security of the affected residents. However, he expressed concern that despite multiple complaints being lodged with higher authorities in the past, there has been a lack of prompt and adequate action. The VPP leader also criticized the MDA government as well as Rambrai Jyrngam MLA Remington G. Moman, alleging apathy and failure to protect the interests of people residing in border areas, which he said has exposed them to continued harassment.
2 दिन वेट खाली 2 दिन उसका बाद में मीटिंग बाद में तुम्हारा है तो आप करो हमारा है तो हम करेंगे कान रे बिल्ली की फुटे दे फटू है नहीं कष्ट गाडीहरु छ कान रे मीटिंग
halo kan ka jaka ka bangingi ale nila siya pendeng na bon senam te na ka we ka por sa ka we por ni ko ngu ya ka bor yo ka an ban ong ap swa da pendep kata ka election ban pendep swa ka election MDC MLA kum ta ter ni siya pendeng na ka por sa ka por na duk ginong yalam khamat jungi bat hadu ki bro jo ka an ki ong ap nginda pendep swa ngin saya pendek mangi te menta kala simpor da ki arthos nem senang te kane ka jaka jong ni kasi barok ni le na ka por sa ka por mentangi Nimla isu bansa namar habala syak penting da bun senam hadu bakini kini perli kila yolat ban wanra ya ki MAY ki ying ki building hakane ga jaka te ni la idu jeng kerman hakawe ka snging sadu barok khaj kene ga jaka te menta bomban se ni hapsim ya karai bangi kum ki trai jo kene ga jaka ka bangi dadon ya ki jing sisya ti jongi isim karai menta kat baje kat balong ni haban ya khondo em ya ban penyo ya kane ka per ka fra ka hok kenti ki nong kenti la jong
kane ka por ni don ni po besnong Mawsikar kani ka diga jakarap jong ki paranong sungsnong jungi ne po Mawsikar ti nagaliang ni jong nagaliang jong Voice of the Party hapo jing alam jong akum organizing secretary jong party ne po Rambrai Jyrngam hadin bang iyo jing tip ya kani ka jingja hakaba kini ki paranong sungsnong ki jongi hangni po Mawsikar ki persang banwan rap halaga jong ka jaka kaba ki dalong try lang ba ki kot ki sla ki jongki te henre katkum ga jing sutu ndang lawan poi hangni spot te ngi sutu ba ka jingle don bor jong kini ki jaj benreu ki badan hangni ki ni ki jaj benreu na pali ya kini ki jaka ki puta jong ki parado prasnam ki jongi tingin tip ka kabadon selendet jong ni namar ba katkum ka jinglap ka jongi kalong ba menta kini pali kladon ku makan ruyeng tam hangni ki jaka ki bala yo sendon ya kaban sina ya ki yeng ngba ka skim PMAY na po asam te ka jingkali kalong ba ka don kata ka status ko hangni bat ka jing ka kamram jong kita ki nong khmi nong pe kum ka district administration ka jongi na po West Kasil district habang iyo ya ki ba ngila ban ong ba ki jing trekam jong ka asam hangni ki penyaj bej prang lagalong ha ki development ya ki ni ki ying ki sam ki snong ki thau jong ki Nepali hande la dale pat da ki khasi ki jongi jusha pendik na kapor kham tam wat ya kani ka jakarap ka badai ka kam ka ba ka jingkendoi jakpo ka jong kini kinong sungsnong ki jongi hangni